Hi everybody, it's Alethea and welcome to In the Kitchen with Alethea. Today we're going to do a one pot dinner. It's summer, so we're going to do something really easy, real simple. So today we're going to do southern red rice and sausage. It's something that you could whip up pretty quick and it doesn't take any time at all. Again, it's something that you can make with one pot and you can pair it with vegetables if you want, but to serve for dinner. But today we're going to just do a one pot, and we're going to serve some corn on the cob with it, and that's going to be our dinner today. Something nice and light and simple. So before we get started, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel, where I do simple, easy recipes that takes no time for parents or people who have not a lot of time to cook but want simple, delicious recipes. So that way, if you are new to my channel, you hit that subscribe button and also that notification button. It allows you to see when I upload new videos. Also, I want you to notice that I'm wearing a black apron with In the Kitchen with Alethea logo on it. This is another merch item that I'm going to be rolling out with the merchandise for In the Kitchen with Alethea. I'm going to be letting you guys know pretty soon when we're going to have the website available for you guys to purchase the items if you decide to do that. So hopefully you guys like it. It's a knee length apron. It ties in the back. It has the adjustable strap on the side so that you can adjust yourself, and it's all cotton and it's black. So I hope you guys like it. The logo is in the front, so hopefully you guys like it. So let me know what you guys think about the logo, and let me know how you feel about the new aprons. So again, we are going to cook today red rice and sausage, so let's get right into it. So over here, we're going to get started. Over here we have our pot that we're going to start our food in. I have some water in the pot here. We're going to just add our sausage. We are using country sausage. These are the long ones and these are the spicy ones. So you could find these in your supermarkets. These are the spicy ones. They also have the shorter ones. The shorter ones are not spicy, but for my taste and for my family, we like the spicy ones. So we're going to be using the spicy ones today. So we're using two. It's three of us that we're going to be having dinner. So I have two sausages, but really depends on how many people you have in your family. So use about more or less depending on the size of your family. So we're going to just put them in the pot and let them come to a boil, just with water. That's it. So let's get our eye on. Okay, and we're going to just cover that and let it come to a boil. So over here we are going to let our sausage come to a boil, and while that's happening, we are going to finish chopping all the other things for our southern red rice and sausage. So let's just get set up for that. Bear with me, guys. Hold on. Okay guys, so we are back and let's go through the ingredients that you're going to need to make this dish. Okay. So you're going to need some stewed tomatoes. Got some stewed tomatoes here with peppers. You're going to need some, hang on guys, be right back.